Hello and welcome to our Holi special food trail with me, Shubhra Mukherjee. Holi is that one festival where people from all walks of life come together and unite. They rejoice over colors and food and drinks as well, symbolically celebrating life. So this brings me to Habitat Centre's Holi celebration. So come and join me. It's about time that spring has knocked at our doors with the season's most colourful festival as our present, Holi. And the capital's cultural hub, Habitat Centre, provided all the good reasons to be cheerful. From performances to food, everything was quite desi in flavour and rooted to our culture. The celebrations began with the lighting of the bonfire, suggesting the triumph of good over evil. What followed this transcended the observer to the holy lands of Mathura. Charkula Arts Academy brought in a stupefying visual treat, Phoolon Ki Holi, a performance depicting Radha and Krishna and their Rasaleela. Adorned in gorgeous attires with peacock feathers tied to their backs, they set the mood for Holi with this breathtaking act.
I love spending time with friends and family, and I feel Holi is just the spirit of festivity. It shows the Indian traditions and it's amazing. I mean, I just love it.
It's awesome. Last year also we came here and this year also we are here and it's amazing. And we enjoy a lot thoroughly.
Thereafter, what beholds was simply divine and delicious. Food during Holi is quite interestingly tasty. Community initiatives like such have given rise to buffets that bring forth traditional festive culinary preparations. So I met up with Chef Rajiv, who tells me more about what food during this festival of Holi is all about. When we talk about the festival Holi, what food do we relate to it? Holi is obviously gujia, but then apart from that, what is it?
You know, Holi is little chatpata tyohar. So we are doing few chaats also. People love to eat chaat. And we are doing this aloo tikki. This is bhalla with mooli. We are doing this food also, giloti kebab. This is a UP speciality. And Holi is from UP. So we are making this. We are serving it with the rumali roti and chutney. Again, paneer tikka. The same thing. This is non-veg. We have made dal ki shami. So people can enjoy the food also. And obviously, this food cannot finish without dessert. These two things. This is Mathura ka peda. We are making this is gujia. These two things particularly for Holi. And jalebi we also keep. So all this food, it belongs to Holi actually.
The happy faces of the visiting crowd were a good litmus test, proving that everything tasted great. Food has always been an integral aspect of our culture, and the Holi celebrations provided both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes, like the aromatic biryani, to veg shami kebabs and paneer tikka. Drinks like kanji vada and thandai to Mathura ke pede. Bite-sized treats like aloo tikki and ram laddus were winners. So I sat down to experience it myself.
Okay, now I have started my Holi festival with a lavish spread of Holi-centric preparations. As you can see, I have just tasted the aloo tikki and some paneer tikka. And I must say these are really very nice. You know, these are the sort of preparations that one would really love to have during Holi. Because you're having fun, you're running around with family and friends, and you need something which is handy. And obviously, tikki and paneer tikka always go. These are easy to make at home as well. And when you have such festivals around you, the community celebrations come up in a very big way. So these sort of preparations really help gather a lot of attention because these are the favorites of people.
Lucknow is famous for its kebabs, and the galoti could be declared as the king. Soft and moist, this too was served along with paper-thin rumali roti, a match made in heaven.
Superb. Oh my god. Okay. Now Holi, as we all know, is a major UP side festival. So how can we miss the mention of galoti kebab and rumali roti? And I must say the galoti kebab is to die for. It is so creamy. It is so fine, so tasty, and you can actually taste the grinded masala in it. It is so aromatic and tasty.
The sweet dishes are something to be cherished during Holi. Hot jalebis, making them is no less than an art. And the Holi speciality, gujia.
This is the traditional Holi sweet that is served during this festival time. And I must say this particular preparation is so nice, very nutty, very crunchy. It is quite syrupy. Just when I take a bite, all the syrupy, sugary juices rush out, gush out. Very tasty. Well, that's all we have for this time. I wish all of our viewers a very happy Holi. I'm going to head back to my sweet dish over here. Until the next time, it's over to you, Tina.